go. All right, y'all run what you need to run. If you need to run with somebody, you can do that. Make sure you have their permission.
So are we going over any new movements?
Yes. I want y'all to go ahead and run through that one, just the new stuff though, real quick. Not all of it.
Yes, sir.
So let's say,
You're like the plus signs? Yeah.
yeah, plus sign is good.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, there's good. Start on there. Mhm. Okay, is that good, or do y'all want to do more than that?
Ready for more?
Ready for more?
Yes, sir.
So, what, y'all here, what happened before that?
It's a little jump.
Ah, yeah. Hug, here. So now we're open. You're going to circle this way and block, but remember, keep it 90 degrees, don't go further than that. So in, out, you're gonna fly that foot in to there. And now you're gonna swing back, right, and you start turning the blade. Because you're gonna push, step, pull, step. Now, you're gonna circle and block again, right? From here, pull in, always pull in the hand you don't know what's happening, block. Like we did a second ago, yeah. Turn and cut. Pull to the hip, like chamber, pointing straight forward and strike. Sink on the right, horse stance, stagger horse stance, present left. Don't lean too much. Yeah, there you go, just more weight on the left. I mean on the right. More or that again?
That again.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
stop, we just did this. Come in, block. Come in, reach, pull, strike, block. Turn, reach, pull, strike. Sink on the right and present. Yeah. Oh, horse. Yes. Good, reset. This is stagger, sorry. Yeah, stagger.
So like your left foot is like back a little bit? Like, cause you're facing this way, right?
Right.
Like you're,
Right.
okay. Gotcha.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Again. Oh, okay.
When I was this way. They repeat. Right. Both the moves on this side, is it the same on this side?
Yeah, this one?
So after this, you go back in and then
That's
circle
right.
forward. So it's like you're winding up and then.
Yes, or blocking, right? So after I block, boom, another one comes and I block,
Walk that way.
and I'm going to slice this guy, boom.
Gotcha. Yeah, because usually blocking with the backside, right?
Right.
Block.
1, 2, 3, pull, start. Block, reach, pull, start, present. That's it. It's so simple. It's like, there must be something in between there.
I just missed the second. Yeah, it is pretty simple.
Oh, gotcha. You wanna try a short term? You wanna do it when you want? Yeah, absolutely. Try short term.
That's right.
Yeah. Good. Try, I was about to try one more time. Get it stuck. Get it stuck.
So after you do that second, like stab, you have to move that foot, right, to get.
Not necessarily. Oh, wait, hold on. Do it without
Cause I didn't see your foot move.
Oh, actually, yeah, I don't move mine that much because the next move, I forgot, the next move is here. So actually, it's actually good for it to stay a little bit in front. You don't have
Okay.
to move it to present.
Cause you're about to go like across.
Right.
Got you.
So you're kind of just checking that one guy who's watching you from across the field, who thought he was about to come get you. And then you just cut his buddy up and you're like, ah! Supple.
Stay back.
Right. One of those kung fu poses. You wanna try it again? All right, let's do it one more time together. Good, more that we. More. All right, good. Cross in front. Block. Step out. Turn and block. Step out. In. Last move, you're gonna step up and cut. Close stance. It's a weird thing. And you're gonna face it. So bring your hand flat, keep the sword flat, because we're slicing, remember you can't power through. So since we're slicing, bring it up to your ear, or your shoulder, like you're gonna poke yourself in the shoulder. Turn your, and make your point forward. Oh no, your blade was right. Turn your shoulders more forward. Yes. Put it in this other shoulder. Yes, it's cutting diagonally across your body.
Is it touching your shoulder?
I touched mine. Okay, reset.
Sir.
Right foot, step forward, right foot, yep. Reset.
It is weird. Just because the horse.
We're not gonna stay there, we stay there for 2 seconds, look, it goes 1. Now, if those moves aren't next, those moves are in the form, in that order.
Yes, sir.
I realized earlier that I was like, I just got, you know how we do. I got a little mixed up as to which was which. I was like, man, which section are we in? So I have to refer back. But don't feel bad for practicing those moves because they're in there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's go. Gets a little cloudy. Pull. Right. Block. Reach. Pull. Start. Put it in. Cross. Block. Cut. Pull. Cut. Try again. Let's go here. Open. Pull in. This is your opportunity. Don't step on a line. Step with space, but now shift the hips. Now step. Cut. Good. Okay. Reset.
Yes, sir.
Go back to here so you can see the pivot. In. Turn. And you're going to shift into that. Step up. Push off. Push. Try
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir.
Towards the bed, yeah, from there.
From here. Yeah, bow. So, it's like hip, right? With your
Yeah.
or shoulder. So it could be either. Feels like, because these are shorter, it feels like this would be more protected.
Yeah, so come tight. The tighter you can get it, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because down here, like, I can still get my head
Right.
No! I want it up here.
Try it one more time, and then we're gonna bow out.
Yes, sir.
So look toward the mirror real quick, and we'll just do that one real quick. Go here. Pull in. Now turn, and you should be off that line. Step straight. Keep the hips forward. Yes. Right, because you'll need it, you're gonna push off, remember, you're gonna push off that leg, so you gotta be engaged correctly, not like here, yep, engaged, and now you can push off that whole leg using your thigh, glute, and all that. Right on top. Right on top. Yeah. Because we're about to do, if I'm correct, we're about to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a block, cut, block, cut. So that's how you snap the spear, right? You catch the tip of the spear, cut, catch the tip of the spear.
Like scissors.
Cut. Yep. Okay, come on.
That's cool. Is that called a scissor?
It can be.
I mean, that's what a scissor is.
Again, if those moves aren't next, I'm pretty sure they are. If they're not, they're in there. In that order.
Go to Senior Head Instructor.
Bow to first degree apprentice instructor, advanced, and